Hi there, let us solve this question, a differential calculus question, using the first principle. And the first principle expression is written on the board. And before we start this question, if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, kindly press the subscribe button. Let's go forward. The question says f of x equals to x squared. Then how do you do this? The first step we're going to take in is substituting x plus delta x for x. So let's do that. F will be equals to f brackets x plus delta x close your bracket equals to x plus delta x raised to power 2. Okay, so this is for this and this is for this. Then let's expand that bracket. We'll be having, let's open this bracket, expand it, x plus delta x, and also x plus what? Delta x. Okay, then next, now to open the brackets, x will multiply x, then x also will multiply delta x will multiply x, then delta x will multiply delta x. So let's now do the multiplication. Let's multiply by x will give us x squared, okay, plus x multiplied by delta x will give us x delta x, okay, then plus delta x multiplied by x we have what? X delta x, okay, then plus delta x multiplied by delta x will give us delta x squared. So if we bring the like terms, adding them together, we have x squared plus 2x delta x, then plus delta x squared. Okay, so now let's now bring what we have gotten in expression, bring in this kind of expression. So what we'll be having? We're having, okay, x equals to limit delta x 0. So what do we have here? We're having x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared, okay, then minus x squared, that's this x squared, divided by delta x, close your bracket. Okay, so this x squared we cancel this x squared, then delta x will cancel delta x here, another delta x will cancel another delta x here. So we are now left with f of what? X equals to limit f of delta x as equals to 0 equals to 2x, okay, plus dx. So that's our answer. So our answer is equals to 2x. So if you understood what I've done in this question, you can also solve other questions. Use the process, use the steps to solve any other question you have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the YouTube channel. Thank you.